Saints Day, everybody. Today we are going to be playing All Saints Day cycle. So we have the royal ghost over here because he is John, Saint John. He wrote the book of Revelation, and I think that he didn't die. God, sent him to heaven. So we have the wizard. This is Saint Paul. He was once a persecutor of the Christians. However, his will and power, created lots of books from the Bible. And we have the fisherman. It is a common job about in the disciples. I think John was also a fisherman. We have the golem. This is Saint Peter. He is called the rock because his faith is super strong. And we have the skeleton army. Many died for Christ, that's why. And we have the goblin cage because the disciples some of them were imprisoned, and then there's a lot of there's a lot of punishment that they receive. One of them is being in prison. Next, we have the elixir collector. One of the disciples was a tax collector, elixir collector. So that was the All Saints Day cycle.